Look at your watch. In exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds, everything you have ever known will end. But the most terrifying part isn't the darkness. It's the fact that for those 8 minutes, you will be living in a world that doesn't exist anymore. Right now, you are feeling the warmth of a star that has already vanished. You are seeing the smile of a loved one by the light of a ghost. The sun is gone, but the universe is keeping it a secret from you. How will you spend your final moments of light? And what happens when the clock hits 0 and the cosmic tether finally snaps? Today, we journey through the most silent apocalypse imaginable. This is the timeline of a world without a sun. In our daily lives, we see light as instantaneous. But in the grand theater of the cosmos, light is a slow traveler. It crawls across the void at 299,792 kilometers per second. Einstein taught us that this is the speed limit of information. Not even gravity can travel faster. If the sun disappeared this very instant, the Earth wouldn't fly off into space immediately. We would continue to orbit nothing. For 8 minutes, we would be slaves to a memory of gravity. Our planet in denial. Imagine the millions of people in those final 8 minutes. A photographer capturing a sunset that has already ended. A farmer planting seeds for a tomorrow that will never come. The universe is a master of irony. It gives us the most beautiful light, just as it prepares to plunge us into eternal night. At exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the sky doesn't just turn dark, it turns empty. The moon, our nightly companion, vanishes instantly. It has no light of its own. It was merely a mirror. Now, the mirror has nothing to reflect. Panic wouldn't be immediate. In the cities, the street lights would flicker on. People would look up, wondering why the stars look so sharp, so bright, yet so cold. The planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, they too begin to wink out as the last of the sun's rays finish their journey to them and bounce away into the abyss. The solar system has just become a cemetery of wandering rocks. Without the sun, the Earth's energy budget goes into a permanent deficit. Photosynthesis, the engine of life, grinds to a halt. Every leaf, every blade of grass, and every forest on Earth stops breathing. We won't run out of oxygen. Our atmosphere is thick enough to sustain us for thousands of years. But we will run out of heat. Within the first week, the average global temperature drops to 0 degrees Celsius. It sounds manageable, but this is only the beginning of the Great Frost. The oceans begin to scream as they freeze. The surface water turns to ice, creating a massive white shroud over the world. But deep beneath, near the volcanic vents of the ocean floor, life continues. For the creatures of the deep, the sun was always a myth. Now, for us, it has become one too. 1 year later, the Earth is now minus 240 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere, the very air we once breathed, begins to freeze. It snows liquid nitrogen and oxygen. The sky, once blue and vibrant, is now a thin, transparent shell. Humanity is now a subterranean species. Our only hope lies in the Earth's core, the radioactive furnace at our feet. We huddle in deep mines and nuclear bunkers, living off the dying embers of a planet that is slowly becoming a tomb. We are no longer part of a solar system. We are a rogue planet, a cosmic orphan hurtling through the Milky Way at 30 kilometers per second. We are traveling toward a future where we may never see another star for 1 billion years. We often feel invincible. We build empires, we fight wars, we obsess over the trivial. But our entire existence is a fragile miracle, powered by a nuclear furnace 150 million kilometers away. We are children of the sun. Every atom in your body was once forged in the heart of a star. The sun gave us time. It gave us the chance to love, to dream, and to wonder. In the vast, cold silence of the universe, life is a brief, flickering candle. And while the light eventually goes out for everyone, the fact that we were here to see it is the greatest mystery of all. So, the next time you feel the warmth of a summer afternoon, don't just take it for granted. Close your eyes and feel the 8-minute-old gift from a star that keeps us alive. Because one day, the countdown will reach 0. If you were given those final 8 minutes, what would you say? Who would you hold? The light is still here. For now, thank you for watching.